After your camshaft and your push pads and your push rods are installed, you can put your gasket and your cover back on. Usually goes in no problem. Just wiggle it around, make sure it gets in there. You're good. Gonna go ahead and get them in. Don't take your torque wrench if you have one, but I don't, so I'm just gonna use a normal ratchet and get them tight. And let me know if you guys have an extra $60 to get me one. Please, I really need it. I'm just messing, but yeah. Okay, let's install our valve cover. Gasket.